So welcome back students. Now we continue with the word problems of simultaneous linear equations. And today we will discuss the questions involving 3-digit numbers. So in this question it is given that a number of 3 digit is 13 more than 51 times the sum of its digit. Okay. So how to assume and what to assume to find this? It has 3 digits. Before this, we have discussed the questions related to 2-digit numbers, but this number has 3 digits, ones, tens, hundreds. There are 3 digits. Now continue to read it first. The sum of digits at the extreme is 3 more than the middle digit. The sum of digits at the extreme is 3 more than the middle digit. Okay. If 693 is subtracted from the number, digits are reversed. Find the numbers. So first we start, a number of 3 digits is 13 more than the 51 times the sum of its digit. Means first of all, let's assume that the digit at ones place be x, tens place be y, hundreds place be z. So what will be the original number of 3 digits? It is obtained by multiplying the digit at hundreds place by 100. Digit at tens place by y's place value is 10y. And digit at ones place is written as it is. So this is the original number 100z plus 10y plus x. Okay. Now read the first condition and use it to solve the question. A number of 3 digit means this number 100z plus 10y plus x number of 3 digit is means I have told you equals to 13 more than 51 times the sum of its digit. So sum of digits are x, y and z. So their sum is x plus y plus z. And 51 times the sum of digit means 51 into x plus y plus z. And 13 more than that means plus 13 we should write. So it is 51x plus 51y plus 51z plus 13. So number of 3 digit is 13 more than 51 times the sum of its digit. Okay. Now we transfer all the terms to the same side. X minus 51x plus 10y minus 51y plus 100z minus 51z equals to 30. It implies minus 40x minus 50x, sorry. Minus 41y plus 49z equals to 30. So write it as equation number 1. Again, the sum of digit at the extreme. So what are the digits at the extreme? So they are x and z. Extreme means for ones digit and hundreds digit. So the sum of digit at the extreme, condition 2. Sum of the digits at the extreme means x plus z, tens digit and ones digit and hundreds digit is 3 more than the middle digit. Middle digit is y plus 3. 3 more, not 3 times. It is 3 more than the middle digit. So middle digit is y plus 3. The sum of digit at the extreme is more than the middle digit. 3 more than the middle digit means this is equation number 2. Again, if 693 is subtracted from the number, so this is the third condition. If 693 is subtracted from the number, so first transfer these unknowns to the same side, na? Then mark it as equation number 2. If 693 is subtracted from the number, digits are reversed. So this is condition 3. Why there is condition 3? As there are 3 digits. So to find them, there must be 3 conditions. So in condition 3, when digits are reversed, when the digits are reversed, what happens then? What will be the ones digit? That which was hundredth digit in the assumption. So hundredth digit was Z, becomes ones digit. Tens digit remains the same as it is still in the middlemost position. So it is Y. And hundredth digit is that digit which was digit in the first discussion. So what will be the new number which is obtained by reversing the digit? It is obtained by multiplying 100 with the hundredth digit, 10 with the tens digit, and 1 with the ones digit, and then adding them. So the number is 100x plus 10y plus z. Now one more thing is given in the question about this, that if sub 693 is subtracted from the number, means original number we know that is, original number was 100z plus 10y plus x. So we write it again. 100z plus 10y plus x. And when 693 is subtracted from it, so we subtract 693. The digits of the numbers are reversed, means new number is formed by reversing the digit. So it is 100x plus 10y plus z only. In both sides, we observe that 10y will be cancelled out. So 100z minus, this z is transferred to right hand side, sorry, left hand side minus z plus 10y is already cancelled out, plus x minus 100x equals to this 693 is transferred to the next side. Unknowns are in the left hand side and knowns, that is 693 only the known number, it is transferred to the right hand side. 100z minus z is 99z plus x minus 100x is 99x equals to 693. So 99 is common both sides into z minus x equals to 693. If we divide both sides by 99, 99 sevens are 693 is the equation number 3. Or we can also write z equals to 7 plus x as equation number 3 in place of that equation, and then use this value of z in terms of x in equation number 1 and 2. So there will be equations of only 2 digits, two equations of only 2 unknowns, 2 variables. So using equation 3 in equation 1 is minus 50x minus 41y plus 49z equals to 30. It implies z equals to 7 plus x. So minus 50x minus 41y plus 49 into z, 7 plus x equals to 13. It implies minus 50x minus 41y. 49 sevens are 343 plus 49x equals to 13. It implies minus 50x plus 49x minus x minus 41y equals to 13 minus 343. It implies minus is common, x plus 41y equals to minus 330. So minus both sides will be cancelled out, equals to 330, which is equation number 4, and it has only 2 variables. Now again, use equation number 3 in equation number 2. Using equation number 3 in equation number 2, what do we get? Equation number 2 is x minus y plus z equals to 3. It implies in equation number 3, we have calculated that z equals to 7 plus x. X minus y plus 7 plus x equals to 3, as z equals to 7 plus x, na? in third equation. So if we use it in equation number 2, now it is 2x minus y equals to 3 minus 7 minus 4, which is equation number 5. So we can now easily solve these two equations as they have only two variables. So if you multiply equation number 4 by 2, 2x plus 82y equals to 660 will be there. Multiplying equation 4 by 2 and then subtract it, this 2x will be cancelled out. This is minus. This is also minus. So it becomes 2x cancelled out. Minus y minus 82y is minus 83y equals to minus 664. So is it 8 is 8 is 64. 3 8 is 24. 640 plus 24 is 664. Yes. So it is divisible by 8. So y equals to 8. And at the same time, we know that z equals to, from equation number 3, z equals to 7 plus x. Okay, we know only y. So first we have to find x only by using equation number 4 or 5. 5 is easier. So from 5, 2x minus y equals to minus 4. It implies 2x minus 8 equals to minus 4. It implies 2x equals to 8 minus 4 equals to 4. It implies x equals to 2. And y equals to 7 plus x, that is 7 plus 2 equals to 9. So the number is 100z plus 10y plus x. This is z. So 100 into 9 plus 10 into y. Y is 8 plus x. X is 2. So it is 900 plus 80 plus 2, that is 982, which is the answer. So look at this. If we interchange, it is 289. Checking the number. Is it correct or not? Checking the answer. 12 minus 3, 9. 17, 12 minus 9, 3. 17 minus 8, 9. 7 and 8 minus 2, 6. Okay. So it is 693. Correct. This is the difference. And other conditions. Check the other conditions also. 13 more than 51 times the sum of digits. Sum of digit is add them. Add all the digits. 19 into 51. So it is 20 minus 1 into 51. That is 1020 minus 51. That is 9. $969. And in the other side, it is written that it is 13 more. So add 13 also. Add 13 also. So it is 982. According to question, it is written that 13 more than 51 times the sum of digit. And is it the number itself? Yes. So our answer, first condition is correct, third condition is correct, though only one condition remains now. Sum of digit of the extreme means digit at the extremes are 9 plus 2, 11 is 3 more than the middle digit. Middle digit is 8, 8 plus 3, 11 again. Yes. So all the three conditions are satisfied. So the answer is 982.